Hello guys, now nimeona governors claiming that they will not appear in the Senate Public Accounts Committee, saying that senators ask them money to sanitize the corruption in counties. Now, county governors, remember hiyo pesa ambayo unapata from the national government, from treasury, ni pesa ya wananchi wa county. You are only there for a moment, for 5 years. Sasa tuende na katiba vile nasema 5 years to use that money to develop the county. That is not your money. You must go as the constitution require, answer the questions the way you are spending that money in the county. If you are spending the money appropriately, why are you guys fearing to go and answer questions in the Senate? Kama hutaki kuenda, you better resign, watch a deputy governor take over so that he or she may answer questions concerning the county government. That is the only solution. You resign from the county so that you don't answer questions. Because many of you governors, ile visanga mnafanya kwa county, ile visanga mnafanya ati governor anaweka budget ya kununua Christmas tree of 5 million. Mwingine ana governors zile vitu mnafanya kwa county. Mwingine ati anaweka budget ya housewarming of the speaker's residence. Kama hiyo ndio vitu mnafanyia pesa ya county, it's better you resign from the county assembly, ama in the next year's general election wote tunawasafirisha, wote tunafagia, mnaenda nyumbani. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business.